Okay, guys, welcome. How you doing? Oh wow, this is a very lovely day. Now, here you're going to learn how to what create realistic images. Realistic what images using what AI. Now, I'll show you the tools I'm going to make use of. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to hold you by your hands. I'll lead you step by step how to what achieve that. So let us go to the lesson immediately. Looking before us now is Google. So I'm going to from here. I'll go to our ChatGPT. So I would like to search ChatGPT. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT, we are going to what upload the image that we like. Let's say you saw an image online, you like that image very, very well, and you want to recreate that image, and you want to use your picture to recreate that same image of yourself. So we are going to I will show you the step now for you to what achieve that. Okay, let's go. So this one, I'm going to click on new chat, which is already here. Then I will what, upload the image I've downloaded from any website, maybe, but I like the image. So I'll add the image here. I'll add photos. So I'm going to go to my downloads. Okay. Okay, desktop. Okay. Now I like this image, so I'll click on it. I will upload the image. Guys, you see that, right? So I'm going to share you the prompt that I've used for this in the it will be in the comment section. I will paste the prompt in the comment section. So you just go there, copy the prompt and make use of it. So now I'll ask ChatGPT a question. I've already pasted the prompt on my notes, so I'll copy it here. Okay, so I'll copy it. Now I'll paste it. Now what does this prompt? This prompt said create a prompt to achieve the image uploaded for another person. Generate a prompt that can be used by an image generator just like what Gemini. Okay, so I've asked ChatGPT to what create a prompt that can use to what recreate this image for myself, not only for me. Okay, so I'll run the prompt. Then ChatGPT, he takes it and he gives me back a prompt list that I'm going to make use of. So this is the prompt here. This is the prompt I'm going to use now to be able to create that image I want with my own pictures. I following, guys? Yeah. So now let's go over to Gemini and recreate this picture, but then use our own image to get the realistic picture. So now I'll go to my next tab. I'll click on Gemini. So if you don't have Gemini, is a web-based platform. It can also be an app if you're using your phone, but I make use of a laptop, so it'll be easy. Okay, it's still also the same thing with the phone and with also the app and with the program. So you have to sign up for Gemini, just like normal program. You just have to sign up. Then now you have to wait for it to load. Everything need to activate perfectly. That is good. So then now I'm going to show you something here. So it's going to tell you hello, you welcome me in. Now click on this plus sign, click on upload files. So by this time around, you should have taken some pictures of yourself. Okay, so I've already taken some pictures of myself. So that's what I'm going to make use of to create this prompt for you, generate this prompt for you. So I've already taken pictures of myself. So that's what I'm going to make use of. So you see these four pictures here. Snap four unique pictures of yourself, the face, the left side, the right side, and also under your chin. Just it's good so that I can give the AI enough chance to be able to create properly that image we want. So I will select four of them like this and I will open it. So see now it is now loading it into Gemini. Okay, it's loading it into Gemini. It has finally loaded it. Then now I will go to that, I'll go back to ChatGPT. I will copy this prompt that it has given me, Control C. I'll copy it. I'll go back to Gemini. So in Gemini, I will have to paste the prompt here. You see that? So I've pasted that prompt we've copied from ChatGPT. Then lastly, then I will have to run the prompt. Okay, so for image generation, this is how you take an image you like, ask ChatGPT to give you a prompt on it, then use the prompt with your own images, recreate that stuff, and it will give you an image of yourself in that prompt you created from ChatGPT. Okay, so let's see this. Wow, guys! Wow, wow, this is awesome. You see that, right? Wow. So sometimes you can also make changes to the prompt and also tell it to give you something nice. So guys, this is how you recreate images from ChatGPT to Gemini. So please, if you know you have get value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also share it so that it can reach to more people and to make the algorithm to make this content more effective and more impacting. Do have a nice time. Bye bye. I love you. Don't forget to keep sharing. Don't forget to keep learning.